This is Project Causeway Cruiser, an E.C.D fully electric Range Rover Classic, finished to our client's exact specification. Causeway Cruiser is painted full gloss Stratus blue with black accents. The Causeway Cruiser sits on 16-inch OEM 5-spoke wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This Range Rover features an OEM style front bumper with daytime running lights and a dual crossbar roof rack setup. Inside, Causeway Cruiser features an OEM black leather steering wheel with electric set gauges, 2 OEM Land Rover front seats, a 60/40 split folding mid-row and an open space load area. Each seat is finished in a vertical OEM style Avion Sesame and coal leather stitched together in maple and black. Causeway Cruiser is powered by our Gen 2 full EV setup, 400 horsepower direct drive. This Range Rover also features an array of modern conveniences such as Halo style touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and access to USB ports throughout.